You are watching JP Tarot, and today I am going to do make a wish reading. What wish of yours is going to be fulfilled in the near future, and what are the roadblocks? And I will check all the energy, overall energy, and that's your wish. What wish is going to be fulfilled of yours in the next few months or in the near future? Okay, that's your reading. Choose your pile. This is pile 1, pile 2, pile 1 this white stone, pile 2 this red stone. Okay, pause the video, choose your pile and come back to the reading. Okay, so those who chose this white stone, you are up. This is the overall energy. Okay, so center of your wish is success. You need success in something or some with someone. Okay, you need you or you want success in something or in some relationship. Okay, but you have given up in that relationship or in that situation. You have given up because you were wanting a stable foundation in the past, but you are right now you have given up. That means you haven't achieved that wish of yours, but you will success ultimately, get success in the future. But however, you will get success in your future, but that's not going to make you complete happy. Why? Because you will earn this success through huge effort, passing overcoming some conflict. You will have some victory, and then you will achieve this success, which is not at the par level of your expectation, because you need something great, much more than this success. Huge effort, struggle, very much struggle, then you achieved, but that was not at this success. Okay, not at the par level of that success. Okay, so what will help you is your anxiety and fear to lose this ultimate goal of yours. You need to be careful and sensitive towards your goal. Okay, roadblocks are that your competitors are much potential, have huge potential, more than potential. They are more potential than you. Okay, they have an edge over you. You need to reverse this energy. You need to have an edge over them. Okay, they are too smart, they have plans, they have execution in much smarter way than you. Okay, so what you should not do, what you should avoid is confusion. Okay, since you have struggled a lot to get this achievement, but that's nothing in front of this struggle which is heading towards you in the future. In order to achieve this success, and this is making you confused, because right now you are having anxiety. You are feeling like you have, after so much effort, you have achieved this much, not that much, though you have, and you have given up. You think that you can't achieve because this struggle is huge for you, because you have this level of capability, and you are required to have this level of capability. This is entirely, see, 5 and 7, you have a bridging, don't have a bridge in between. Not in entire reading also 6 is there, means you have a bridge gap in between your effort. You need to make a bridge in between this level of effort to that level of effort. Okay, you will have to, you can't jump from this effort to that effort before, because effort needs effort. Okay, effort needs perseverance, energy, devotion, hard work. Okay, you will have to feed your goal with this effort, and in that level you will have to increase your effort. Okay, you will have to make a refinement in your capabilities in order to achieve this goal. And what will be your outcome? This card came with this card. Your outcome card was this, that if you will not put in this level of effort, you will not, and you will be, if you will be confused that you are not going to achieve this goal, and you will not put in this level of effort, you are going to lose your goal. Okay, you are going to lose your success, potential success. Okay, and you, this card came with this, means they want to give you some, this is good that you have so ugly card with in your outcome, then one card came to help you. Okay, this means they want to target something more than your target. Okay, if you are expecting this target, you have to keep your target somewhere up, on somewhere up level, on the up level of this target. If you, this is 100, your target must be 150. That the target of and refinement and the smartness of your competitors will pull, draw your effort, your outcome, lower your outcome, then even you will achieve your this goal. Okay, if they will, their smartness and capability will lessen your effort, your target, then also ultimately you will gain your target, because you are putting, you have set the target much bigger than what you want in your life. Dream big. Okay, that's that should be your motto. Okay, dream big, you will get ultimately the sufficient level of success you want in your life. Okay, so don't be confused, don't give up, don't be happy with the effort, present effort, which is yielding you this smaller output, but you want something great, and you will have to improve your effort, your stamina, without being confused, in order to not lose your game and to achieve much more even than your target. Or dream big, you will ultimately, if you will not have your luck by your side, but ultimately your efforts will take you to the, at least to the level of what you were expecting in your life. Okay, so that's your reading. Hope you liked it. It was very much tough reading. Some people don't like, they want sweet talks, but that's not, that's, this reading has told you the pathway you are going to, you will have to make effort to get your success. Okay, to get success in, see, success baked by effort. Okay, you need success, you will have to persevere. Okay, that's your reading, pile number 1. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Okay, please do like, share, subscribe. Okay, that's all for you, pile number 1. So pile number 2, those who chose this red stone, you are up. Center of your wish. and this is the outcome. Okay, so center of your wish is your love for something or someone. Okay, you have a love and desire for something or someone. Presently you are very much passionate about that thing also. You have very new fresh like emotion towards that thing, but your passion towards it is very much on the next level. You have emotions, childlike emotions for attachment with that particular goal or wish of yours, but you have a very sort out mind, passion towards that goal of yours. You are not acting like a kid, you are very much passionate, because in past you have expectation from that someone or something you are emotionally attached to, which is now have become very much burdensome on you. You are feeling very burdened, you have huge load on your shoulders because of that expectation, though you are very much passionate about that thing or that person, and and you have emotions for that, but you are very burdened by that because you are not having a good communication or good terms with that situation or person. You are not having any communication, you have communication gap, or you have some information gap. If you are thinking about career, you have lack of information how to fulfill this aim of your life, or how to achieve this goal or relationship of your life. You need communication or information. Okay, so what's gonna help you is your stability, your happy home, your family members, your whomever you feel family like, or your family like emotional attachment to this wish is gonna help you to achieve this goal. If you feel, if this is a person you feel them like your family, if you will treat them like outsider, or you are loving them but you are not mm, taking them as your family. Currently you are thinking that they will be the part of your family, but you are not taking them as a current family member. That's gonna hamper that achievement. Okay, if you are clear and sorted that this is your partner, this is your career, take it as your home, take it as your family right now, right out now, right now, from right now. Okay, don't separate things. Separating things will mess up things. Okay, so somebody from your family could help you achieving in this goal, or you will have to have a view of family member like to or home like vision towards this relationship or this goal. Okay, you will have to feel that this is your already in your kitty. Okay, opposing forces are no communication, no offer, you are having no communication, and there is no, you either your person has withdrawn them, they are not communicating with you, or you are having a bridging gap, this that is not leading to something, some opportunity towards you. Okay, this gap, information gap, is the creating an obstacle of unavailability of any offer or opportunity. Okay, what should you do is to have some mature emotions towards this relationship, or towards this goals of yours. You are very much childlike. Okay, things will happen. I have this much of passion, this level of passion, and I'm bearing this level of burden on me, but I'm not giving up. Okay, you are very much proud of your strength and passion, but but you will need some mature emotion also. You have childlike plans, that plans you need to check out your plans. You will have to have some mature plans. No doubt they were good at some point of time, but you need to reanalyze your goals and plans. Have some mature emotions towards your goal. Okay, if you were only that you will have some courtship or happy relationship with your partner now, and you are very much, you have very stable passion for that person, you need to offer them a happy home, not home like, but home. Okay, they want to be your partner, your wife, your husband. You need to offer that stable. You will have to increase your this lover like emotion to a husband like or wife like emotion. Okay, you will have to grow your emotion, not only passion required in a relationship. Emotional maturity is also required. Acting all time kid like will only rekindle your feelings for that person or that person's feeling for you, or make create some magic for few moment, but this is ultimate stability. This is required for ultimate stability and happy home in the future. Okay, so this is required to get complete satisfaction. So you are required to have some maturity or analyze your goal and chart out your plans once again. What you need to achieve, what are lacking in your plans to achieve this goal. In order to get this 10 of cup, this completeness, you need to have what, how to proceed, to proceed with huge complete emotion. Okay, full emotion. You will have to deal with all spheres of your emotion. Complete emotion is required for achievement of this goal. Though you have passion, you will require some maturity and complete devotion of emotion in order to achieve this goal. And you will have to tackle this information gap or no communication gap, which is just depriving you with from the opportunity and offer you are potentially able, you are potentially able of capable of getting. Okay, you are not achieving due to this blockage. Okay, you need to have communication, sort out this communication gap and information gap. You need to bridge up this gap. Okay, to achieve, and you will have to be mature, increase your level of maturity, chart out your plans once again, find out the drawbacks, and move ahead with full emotion. Okay, that's your reading pile number 2. If you like my reading, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe. Okay, thank you. That's all from me. Okay, thank you. Please do like, share, subscribe.